Before you experiment with Azure OpenAI or Microsoft's agent framework, do this first. Set up a budget alert. It takes less than 3 minutes and removes billing anxiety while you are on pay as you go. Let me show you how to configure it properly. I am into my billing and get started page. So let's click on create budget. So I don't have any budget, so I'll click on add and give it a name, whatever name you think. Reset period is monthly, creation date is today, expiration date something in the future, say 10 years from now. And you can keep it much less period. You can set the reset period to quarterly or annually also. An amount, let me put the budget amount threshold as say $10. Click on next. Okay, set the type is actual cost, and type it, let me forecasted cost. So it is telling alert threshold percentage cannot be empty. Okay, percentage of the budget is say 50%. All right, and forecast cost is also 50%. Let's see. And then alert recipients. Now this is my own email address and unique email address is required. So now everything is filled up and actual cost is 50% of budget and forecasted cost is, let us see, make it 80% of the budget, which is $8 only. So, and click on create. It is validating. So now it has created the budget. So at this stage, remember, budgets send alerts. They do not automatically stop resources, but they give you full visibility and control while you are learning or experimenting. With this in place, you can safely proceed to setting up Azure OpenAI and running your first agent. In the next video, we'll walk you through the Microsoft's official agent framework, step 1, and run the sample correctly. So please keep tuned. See you in the next video.